edition of Live and Breaking with Newsbreak coming in on Bihar Deputy Chief Minister Tejasvi Yadav, who's now been granted an approval for an official tour abroad. Now, this is the Rouse Avenue Court that has permitted Tejasvi Yadav to travel to Australia and New Zealand from the 6th of January till the 18th. Now, this is as part of condition. The court has directed Tejasvi Yadav to even deposit a fixed deposit receipt amounting to 25 lakh rupees. Additionally, the court has stipulated that Tejasvi Yadav must provide information about his accommodation in Australia and New Zealand along with his mobile number during the foreign tour, which he will undertake in the month of January. Now, note that Tejasvi Yadav is under the scanner in the Land for Job scam. In fact, he was summoned for questioning as well by the central agency. And in the latest, he's been granted permission by the court to travel abroad. So on 5th of January, he is going to be appearing before the ED, and the next day he has been allowed to travel to New Zealand and Australia, for which there are certain conditions that have also been imposed, which also includes a fixed deposit of 25 lakh rupees, which he will have to deposit. The story is from Karnataka, where Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has reignited the hijab controversy, saying that the ban on wearing hijab will be withdrawn very soon. Now, the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah said that there is no effective hijab ban in the state, adding that women can wear whatever they want to. Listen in first up to that statement that was made by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah on Friday.
hijab ಅದು ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನು ಹಿಜಾಬ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈಗ. ಹಿಜಾಬ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಈಗ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಆದೇಶ ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಈಗ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸೇರದ್ದು. ನಾನ್ಯಾಕೆ ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ಡಿಪಡಿಸ್ಲಿ? ನೀ ಯಾವ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಹಾಕತ್ತೀಯ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಪ್ಪ, ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಮಾಡು, ನನಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ? ನಾನು ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ. ಅದು ನಿಮ್ದು ಹಕ್ಕು, ನನ್ನ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್, ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ನಾನು ಧೋತಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜುಬ್ಬ ಹಾಕತ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟು ಶರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕೋ ನೀನು. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ತಪ್ಪೇನಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? ತಪ್ಪೇನಿದೆ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಓಟ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು.